Hi guys, today it's Chris from Car Sound Security. We've got Mercedes G-Wagon here today, 2014-2015. What we've installed today is a Ghost Immobiliser. So what I'm going to do, the car's running at the moment, I'm going to switch it off so you get an idea of what happens. So we've just switched it off. So you can see my foot's firmly on the brake and it doesn't start. Yeah. If you look closely at the eco, I'm going to put the code in, it's going to flash twice. There you go, it flashed twice. Now to start the vehicle. Alright, give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554 to get your Ghost Immobiliser done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, it's Chris from Car Sound Security again. Got Mercedes G-Wagon here today, 2014-2015. What we've installed here, you can see it's a front dash cam. Yeah. So there'll be no insurance fraud on this car today or anytime soon. Give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554 to get your dash camera installed today at Car Sound Security. Thanks for watching, guys.